Guys, it's all coming down to the Bitcoin event this week. You can see obviously Jasmy is selling off right now. We do still have, let me actually check real quick. The inverse head and shoulders pattern can still play out like I talked about in yesterday's video, but also what you want to be aware of is right now it does look like we are heading towards around 2.4, okay? Just below 2.5 cents. The reason for this is the 618 level when you take a Fibonacci from the low to the high. Okay, so we're pulling back. We're also trading under the 21 EMA on a daily time frame. I will tell you the good news though is on a weekly time frame we're still above the 21 EMA. Okay, so we've been above the 21 EMA since this thing started running back in January of 2024. If you look at a weekly time frame, right now, let me see real quick. We're pulling back, and the 21 EMA on a weekly time frame, even though it looks like this right here, we're curling below it, but on a weekly time frame it's around 2.4. So we could pull back to 2.4. That would hold the 21 EMA on a weekly time frame. It's also the 618 level. This would make sense if we get some positive news from the Bitcoin event. I think it's going on today and tomorrow, right? So a lot can change, right? I think it's really depending on what is said there, really what happens. But right now we're experiencing a pullback. We're experiencing a pullback in Bitcoin as well. You can see the RSI stochastic right here is just curling over. So momentum is coming down right now for Jasmy, a bunch of cryptos as well. But I just wanted to show you guys the technicals. That 2.4 is next for Jasmy. And then if that doesn't hold for whatever reason and we get in even more of a sell-off, then the next area would be about 2.2, okay, 2.2 to 2.3. So not really like dramatic moves down, still above 2 cents, but this is just how it's going to be right now. So again, this video is to tell you to be patient. In my opinion, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I just wanted to share this with you guys because as of right now, we're still just making a higher low from that low point of 1.9, right? What I told you guys. And the reason I knew 1.9 was probably the absolute floor is I did the same thing. I used Fibonacci. So again, I teach this stuff. Patreon's down below. It is closing out by the end of this month. There's a couple spots open, and then I'm closing it all of August and then reopening it in September. I think the way our portfolio is looking, we are due for a massive run, and we have money allocated to different cryptos. If you want to learn about that and why we hold these ones and really the price targets on it, make sure you join the team down below. Guys, let me know your thoughts on this. Leave a comment, drop a like, subscribe right now. It's just a waiting game. Hope you have a great one.